Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
How
How
are
are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm fine.
about you? Right. Okay. So, how was your day?
My day was good. I just did my work and yes,
Okay. Right. So, let's talk about the topic of the day, which is winter wonders. Shall we talk about that?
yes,
Okay. So, here we have a few things. I hope that you've prepared for it. Okay. So, I want you to open the session notes and I want you to guess the pictures. I want you to look at the pictures and guess the types of rainfalls. Okay. So, what do you see in the first picture?
it's snow rainfall. Snow.
It's not snowfall. See, there is no such thing called as snow rainfall.
Yeah,
It's either rainfall or snowfall. Okay. So
snowfall.
what you see here is that it is called as hailstorm. You know, the ice that falls along with the rain, it is called as hail.
Okay.
Okay. And
Hail.
the yeah, hail, HAIL. Okay. And
Okay.
when it comes along with the rain, it is called as hailstorm. Okay.
What?
When it rains along with those, then it is called as hailstorm. Okay.
Hailstorm.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so the next picture, what do you see in the next picture?
Mm, it's raining with some. What I can say.
Is that raining actually?
It's not raining. Before
Mhm.
that, before raining, that uh, I don't know in English what it called.
Okay, what is it called as in Hindi?
Mm, Duk. In Marathi, we can say duke, but I don't know in Hindi also.
What does it mean when you say that?
It's like
Can you repeat it in Hindi if not in English?
just a minute.
Mhm.
Uh, I don't know the word for that.
Okay, so it is called as snowstorm or blizzard. Okay, it's
Blizzard.
called as blizzard. So what's happening over here is just like heavy rains, it is snowing heavily, right?
Yeah.
जैसे
Yes.
कि तूफान आता है, बारिश का तूफान आता है, ये स्नो का तूफान है. Okay, it is
Mm,
called as snowstorm or blizzard. Okay, the next one, what do you see in the next picture?
the next picture is there is one girl.
Mhm.
She saw the
She is seeing the snowfall, right? She is experiencing the snowfall,
yeah.
right?
She
Okay,
experienced the snowfall.
all right. Okay, so did you know there are a few facts over here? Did you know that every snowflake has six sides? Did you
Yes.
know? Did you know that? Okay. And did you also know that the sun looks bigger in the winter?
Mm, I don't see that.
You
I
haven't
didn't
seen,
see that.
but
I
it
haven't
is
seen.
closer to the earth also, right? In winter, the sun is closer to the earth. Okay.
Yeah.
Trees stop growing in the winter. Did you also know that? The trees
No,
stop
I
growing in
didn't
the
know.
winter. Okay.
I didn't know.
Nights, right. Nights are longer in the winter. Did you know this?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a very, it's a fact, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's learn some idioms and phrases based on the cold and winter.
Okay.
Okay, first
Yes.
one is break the ice.
Yes.
What is meant by break the ice?
Break the ice means to remove the awkwardness from the first meeting.
Yes. So that is what is meant by break the ice. For example, she broke the ice or he broke the ice between him and the moment we met. Okay. Sorry,
Yes.
he meant me the moment we met. Can you use the word? Sorry, can you use the phrase in your sentence? Break the ice.
Yes. When uh, I meet my friend first time. Uh,
When I met my friend for the first time,
when I met my friend at the first time, that
for
time
the first time,
for the first time that I break the ice first.
I broke the ice first.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So, what is meant by walking on thin ice? Walking on thin ice.
A risky situation.
Yes, a risky situation. For example, taking permission from the headmaster is like walking in the ice. Sorry, walking on thin ice. Okay. Can you use the phrase in your sentence?
Yes. Uh, Last year I went to Jammu and Kashmir. That time I so it is like walking on thin ice.
Why is that a risky situation? Why going to.
It's too long from my house, so oh, we went there, and also there is no network over there, so that's why we didn't connect with my family. So that's why it's like walking on thin ice.
Okay. So maybe you can say taking permission to go to Jammu and Kashmir was walking on thin ice for me. From my
Yeah,
parents or from my husband, maybe you can say that. Or maybe
yeah,
going on a solo trip, or was walking on thin ice for me. Okay.
yeah.
Cold hands and warm heart. What is meant by cold hands, warm heart?
People pretend to be tough but are sensitive inside.
Yes, so people pretend to be tough but are sensitive inside. This is called as cold hands and warm heart.
Warm.
For example, you can use it in your sentence like this: his personality is like cold hands, warm heart. He will surely agree.
Yeah.
Okay? His personality is like cold hands, warm heart. He will surely agree. Can you use the phrase in your sentence?
Yes. My father has cold cold
Cold
hands,
hands.
but he has hurts because
Okay.
he will uh, permission me permission easily.
Okay, so you can say my father has a personality like cold hands, warm heart. Despite him not sending me anywhere else, he gave me permission to go to some other place. We can talk about that. What is meant by bundle up? Bundle up.
To cover up.
Yes, bundle up means to cover up. We can say make sure to bundle up before stepping out. Okay, make sure to bundle up before stepping out. Next one is leave someone out in the cold.
Leave someone out in the cold. Not include in an activity.
Yes. So someone not including somebody in any activity is called as leave someone out in cold. For example, when plans for the trips were made, Ron was left out in the cold. Okay. Can you use the word in your sentence? Can you use that phrase in your sentence?
Was in school that time. Teacher uh, teacher didn't leave someone out in the cold.
Okay. The teacher never left anybody out in the cold. Okay. So what is your favorite part of winter?
Mm, Part of the winter. The favorite part of the winter is sleeping on bed with covering up a blanket.
Okay. Sleeping in the bed. bundled up, you can say, okay, using the idiom that you have just used. How is
Mm.
the winter in your city or in your place?
Uh, it's little bit cold,
Hmm.
but in winter season, environment also good,
The environment is good, is it? Okay, so did
pleasant.
you have winter vacations during your childhood?
Mm. Yes, I
Okay,
have. I had.
we had, right?
We
Okay,
had.
so yes, how did you spend them?
I almost spend them uh, with some activities,
Hmm.
with some doing some activity to help my parents in
To help my
farming,
parents.
to help my parents in terms of farming.
Hmm.
Uh, Also, I did a lot of activities. I played lot of games with my
Hmm.
cousins. Um, at that time, I uh, acquired lot of skill like riding bicycle.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. Right. So, what is the worst part of dinner? Oh, sorry, winter, not dinner. Winter.
Uh, Basically, I don't like cold, so I
You
don't
like
like.
hot weather?
Uh, yes, I like hot.
Right. So, what is your go-to food in winter season?
So my go-to food is tea with some toast.
Okay. Right. So, okay. So, can you read the story?
Okay.